Hi Andy, Nenu me Divini. High Life Jewels exhibition is happening on June 21st, 22nd, 23rd. Best of all the luxury brands are being exhibited there. Andaru vachi shopping cheskondi. Chala chala baaguntundi High Life lo.